Benefit fraud is a serious issue that affects many aspects of society. It occurs when individuals deceive the system to receive financial assistance they aren't entitled to, often by providing false information or omitting crucial details. This could involve lying about their income, living situation, or disability status. For instance, someone might underreport their earnings or falsely claim a disability to receive additional support. This dishonest act diverts crucial funds away from those who genuinely need them, putting immense strain on the welfare system. The resources that could have been used to support vulnerable individuals are instead misallocated, leading to longer waiting times and reduced benefits for those in genuine need. The UK government, determined to tackle this problem, has introduced a new law with far-reaching consequences. This legislation is part of a broader effort to ensure the integrity of the welfare system and to protect public funds. The new legislation aims to deter potential fraudsters and ensure that benefits reach the right people. It includes stricter penalties for those caught committing fraud and enhanced measures for detecting fraudulent activities. This article will delve into the details of this law, examining its potential impact on both those who commit fraud and those who rely on benefits legitimately. We'll look at how the law is structured, the specific provisions it includes, and the rationale behind its implementation. We'll explore the methods used to detect fraud, the penalties involved, and how honest claimants can protect themselves from being wrongly accused. This includes advancements in fraud detection technology, the role of government agencies in monitoring claims, and the legal recourse available to those who are falsely accused. The UK's new law against benefit fraud signals a significant shift towards stricter enforcement. This legislation is a response to growing concerns about the integrity of the welfare system and the need to protect public funds. This legislation empowers authorities with enhanced tools and harsher penalties to combat fraudulent activities. It represents a comprehensive approach to tackling benefit fraud, combining advanced technology with traditional investigative methods. One of the most notable changes is the increase in the maximum prison sentence for benefit fraud, rising from 6 to 10 years. This significant increase reflects the government's commitment to deterring potential offenders and ensuring that justice is served. This underscores the seriousness with which the government views this offence. By imposing stricter penalties, the government aims to send a clear message that benefit fraud will not be tolerated and will be met with severe consequences. The definition of benefit fraud has also been expanded. This broader definition is designed to close loopholes and ensure that all forms of deceitful behaviour are covered under the law. It now encompasses a wider range of offences, including failing to declare overseas assets or income from undeclared work. This expansion is crucial in addressing the various ways individuals attempt to exploit the system. The law also grants authorities greater access to personal data. This increased access is intended to enhance the ability of investigators to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. This includes bank records, tax information, and even social media activity, all in an effort to identify discrepancies and uncover potential fraud. By leveraging these data sources, authorities can build a more comprehensive picture of an individual's financial situation. These measures aim to create a strong deterrent and ensure that those who abuse the system are held accountable. The ultimate goal is to protect the integrity of the welfare system and ensure that support is available for those who genuinely need it. By implementing these robust measures, the government hopes to restore public confidence in the system and demonstrate its commitment to fairness and justice. While the new law primarily targets fraudsters, it's crucial to understand its broader implications. Legitimate claimants may experience increased scrutiny as authorities strive to eliminate fraudulent claims. This could translate into longer processing times for benefit applications and requests for more detailed documentation. It's essential for all claimants to be aware of their rights and responsibilities under this new legislation. Staying informed about the changes and complying with all requirements is vital. Honest claimants shouldn't be unduly alarmed, but should be prepared for a higher level of scrutiny. Transparency and accurate record keeping become paramount in navigating this new landscape. The new law equips the Department for Work and Pensions (DWP) with more robust investigative powers. The DWP can now conduct more thorough checks, including surveillance, witness interviews, and even home visits. These measures are intended to verify the information provided by claimants and expose any inconsistencies. While these powers are necessary to combat fraud, it's crucial that they are exercised responsibly and fairly. Claimants have the right to be treated with respect and dignity throughout any investigation. They also have the right to seek legal advice if they believe their rights have been infringed upon. The DWP must adhere to strict legal procedures to ensure that evidence is gathered lawfully and that individuals are not wrongly accused. The price of deception penalties await. The new law introduces a range of penalties for those found guilty of benefit fraud. This legislation aims to deter fraudulent activities by imposing strict consequences. These penalties are designed to be proportionate to the severity of the offense, sending a clear message that such actions will have serious consequences. The justice system is now more equipped to handle these cases with the gravity they deserve. One of the most significant changes is the increase in the maximum prison sentence, reflecting the gravity with which the government now views benefit fraud. This change underscores the commitment to maintaining the integrity of the benefit system. In addition to imprisonment, individuals found guilty of benefit fraud may face hefty fines. These fines are not just punitive, but also serve as a deterrent to others who might consider engaging in similar activities. Furthermore, those convicted will be required to repay any overpaid benefits, potentially with interest. This ensures that the financial loss to the system is recovered and the burden is not passed on to taxpayers. A criminal record for benefit fraud can have long-term ramifications affecting future employment, travel, and access to financial products. Employers, lenders, and immigration authorities often scrutinize criminal records, making it difficult for those with a history of fraud to move forward in life. It's essential to understand that even seemingly minor instances of fraud can lead to severe consequences. The law does not differentiate between small and large-scale fraud when it comes to penalties, emphasizing the importance of honesty and integrity in all dealings. In some cases, alternative penalties such as community service or mandatory participation in rehabilitation programs may be imposed. These measures aim to reform the individual and prevent future offenses. The government is also investing in public awareness campaigns to educate citizens about the risks and consequences of benefit fraud. By raising awareness, they hope to reduce the incidence of fraud and protect the integrity of the benefit system. It's crucial for everyone to stay informed and seek legal advice if they are unsure about their eligibility for benefits. Understanding the rules and regulations can help prevent unintentional fraud and the severe penalties that come with it. Safeguarding your claims practical tips. Navigating the complexities of the benefit system can be challenging, but there are steps legitimate claimants can take to protect themselves. Firstly, promptly report any changes in circumstances that may affect your entitlement to benefits. This includes changes in income, living arrangements, or work status. Transparency is key to avoiding any misunderstandings. Secondly, maintain meticulous records of all income, expenses, and any other relevant information that supports your benefit claim. This documentation can be invaluable in the event of an investigation, providing evidence to support your case. Finally, familiarize yourself with your rights and responsibilities as a benefit claimant. Information is readily available on the DWP website and through various reputable advice organizations. Facing accusations, seeking help and advice. If you find yourself under investigation for benefit fraud or have concerns about your claim, it's crucial to seek professional advice promptly. Organizations such as Citizens Advice offer free, confidential guidance on a wide range of issues, including benefit entitlements and dealing with DWP investigations. These organizations can provide invaluable support, helping you understand your rights, gather evidence, and navigate the often complex legal processes. If you're facing criminal charges, it's vital to seek legal representation from a solicitor specializing in benefit fraud cases. They can advise you on your legal options, build a strong defense strategy, and represent you in court. A divided public navigating the debate. The new law on benefit fraud has sparked widespread debate, reflecting the complex issues at play. Proponents argue that stricter measures are necessary to deter fraudulent activities, protect public funds, and ensure that resources are allocated to those in genuine need. Maintaining the integrity of the welfare system is paramount, and holding individuals accountable for their actions is crucial. However, critics express concerns that the new measures could disproportionately impact vulnerable individuals. They argue that the increased scrutiny and harsher penalties may deter some legitimate claimants from seeking the support they need, fearing they may be wrongly accused. The debate highlights the need for a balanced approach, one that effectively combats fraud while safeguarding the rights and dignity of all citizens.